Welcome guys, today I am with the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2 and I'm going to show you how you can fix connection problem with your Android smartphone on iPhone. So take a look. As you can see, in my case the pairing was failed and I'm unable to link these two devices. So just click OK and try to make it another time. As you can see, it's still this notification that pairing is failed. So what I can recommend you to do, just at the first, power off the Bluetooth on your smartphone. Another step, take them off and put them back to the charging case, then close it and open it after a few seconds. As you can see right now, they are activated on the green. And right now, just take a look right here on the right side of the case. It's the button that we have to click and hold until this indicator inside start blinking on the white. Right now, just power on the Bluetooth back on your phone and then try to select the FreeBuds Pro 2. Accept the pairing request, and as you can see, that's how I can fix this problem. So if you have the same problem and you are not able to connect them with your phone by using the standard Bluetooth settings, I can recommend you this simple process. I hope that this video gonna help you. If you are looking for any other tutorial with this FreeBuds, you can just take a look on our YouTube channel. You will find over 30 different videos. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.